This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Vaillant propane heat pumps replace gas-fired boilers in German apartment building. Retrofit by Polya Pencheva, published March 27, 2026. Two multi-family buildings in Dortmund, Germany, recently replaced their gas-powered boilers with a Vaillant propane heat pump system with a total heating capacity of 80 kilowatts, 22.7 tons of refrigeration. The installation, completed by German contractor Alois Müller, serves two apartment buildings, each containing 10 residential units and approximately 720 square meters, 7,750 square feet of living space. To meet this demand, the system uses a 6-unit cascade of Vaillant heat pumps, the Aerotherm Plus VWL 125/8.1, installed behind the buildings. Additionally, the system includes two 800-liter, 211 gallons buffer tanks. To ensure stable and efficient operation even at low outdoor temperatures, the unit is equipped with the ELO Block VE14 auxiliary heater. Operating at a seasonal performance factor, SPF, of at least 3.5, the technology showcases efficiency and stability. SPF measures the efficiency of a heat pump over an entire season, defined as the ratio of total heat output to electricity consumed. Vaillant's modular plug and heat system is industrially prefabricated and delivered ready for connection. This cuts down the installation time for installations in buildings. For the energy transition in the multifamily housing segment, we need economically viable concepts that can be implemented quickly and easily, especially in existing buildings and without interventions in the living areas, said Thorsten Baud, key account manager for the housing industry at Vaillant, in a press release. Decarbonization strategy. The buildings are managed by the Dortmund Housing Association, which initiated the project after one of the building's boilers failed. Propane heat pumps were chosen to help drive the association's decarbonization goals and are forecast to reduce CO2 emissions by 20.5 metric tons annually. This project makes a valuable contribution to achieving our climate goals and supports the company's long-term decarbonization strategy, said Samuel Sharifi, spokesperson for the management board at the Dortmund Housing Association. Similar installations. In February 2025, German food retailer Aldi stated that it would roll out Vaillant's R290 heat pumps for space heating in the UK and Ireland. Up to 512 kilowatt 3.4 TR Aerotherm Plus units will be installed at each store as part of a plan to boost the company's sustainability. As of February 2025, 226 of ALDI's 1,000 stores in the UK and Ireland were equipped with Vaillant's R290 heat pumps, with the company planning to complete the retrofit by 2030. Moreover, R290 heat pumps from Viessmann Climate Solutions, a division of Carrier Global Corporation, are also being used to decarbonize the UK's building stock. The company announced in January that its Vitacool 150A and 250A Pro, along with Carrier's AquaSnap 30AWH-P and 61AQ, will be part of a £1.6 billion, $2.15 billion/1.85 billion euros procurement program to decarbonize heating in UK public housing and other publicly owned buildings. The selected heat pumps range in capacity from 2.1 to 105 kilowatts, 0.6 to 30 tons of refrigeration. Outside of the UK, Italian HVAC manufacturer Enerblue reduced the CO2 emissions of a German railway maintenance hub by 90% after replacing its gas heating unit with one of its heat pumps. The 900 kilowatts, 255.9 tons of refrigeration, air-to-water propane heat pump system reduced the annual emissions of the 27,000 square meters, 290,630 square feet facility by 672 metric tons.